Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have a confetti collection box to share with you, and I can't wait to show you what's inside this box. So Confetti Collection is a bi-monthly subscription service. They actually send this box to me for review every other month, and you pay $19.99 every other month for this box, which is pretty affordable for a subscription box. They send you a box of coordinated items. So it could be anything from, folders to notepads to pens. We got a mug. I'm actually having my morning coffee with you this morning, and we got this mug, and I think this was one of the first boxes I received from them. Love this mug. So they send you really fun items, and I like that it's bi-monthly because it kind of gives you the opportunity to use up all the products before you get your next one. So I'm excited to show you what's in my box. I will leave a link below if you'd like to try Confetti Collection for yourself, and I have a discount code I'll put across the screen and below as well. So full disclosure, I thought I taped this box. I thought I hit the record button, and I'm sitting here thinking I'm talking to you guys, showing you the products, and yep, I was just opening the box. So you won't get my true first reaction to these products because, yeah, it's already opened. But I will pop a card up above too so you can see how Confetti Collection comes, packaged, because it does come packaged really nicely. But yeah, the products in this box are so fun. So I am still excited to show you what's inside my box. And this one is my favorite one so far. I will tell you that. What I will tell you about the October-November box, it's a little bit different, is that they do have two different varieties for this, these 2 months. Usually everyone kind of gets the same products every month, but yeah, this one, there's two different varieties, and I love the variety I got. So let me show you what's inside of my box. So the first thing I'll show you are these cute little napkins. So they're pink with white hearts. How adorable are these? So you get 40 napkins too, so that's pretty cool. I love that. I think they're so cute. And then I also got this notepad, and look at the pretty floral print on this. So this is the box that comes in, and then the actual paper is here, and that's the pattern on the paper as well. There's 200 sheets of paper, and I go through notepads like crazy. I love this pattern, and one of the things that I also love about Confetti Collection is a lot of the times you get a notepad, they come in these boxes. Yeah, I spill a lot of things, so if I spill, my notepad's still protected because it's in the box, so nice. All right. Then you also get, which I really love and appreciate, you get ribbon in like gift wrapping products every month. So I got little pink ones, a little pink bow, and then the ribbon. I love these. I have them on hand for gift wrapping all the time. So, and I also love with the gift wrapping products that they send you, they match what's in the box. As you can tell, it's already matching, right? And then the next thing I got says everything is in its place. So it's kind of one of these little holders you could put maybe next to your sink, and the back, look, it's gold. Love that. How pretty is that? You could put it next to your sink to hold like rings and stuff like that if you're washing dishes. There's so many uses that you can have for this. So cute. I love the gold. Okay, next, this is a bottle opener. How cute is that? So it's got the fringe here. So cute. This whole Confetti Collection box is kind of giving me like a girls' night vibe with the bottle opener, the pink napkins. So fun, right? And then the next thing I got, so cute. So this is a sleeping mask, and I love sleeping masks. I do wear them. This one says, "Wake me up when the booze cart comes around," and it's a really pretty pink color. How fun. And then, oops. This is a flamingo bag, and it looks like, see, I didn't get that far. I have still in the packaging. So, yep, holds a wine bottle. So how cute. This bag is really good for gifting. So if you have a friend, that loves wine, like I love wine, so this would be a perfect gift for me. So you could buy a bottle of wine, stick the bottle opener with it, maybe even the sleeping mask, the little ring holder, and you got your ribbon. Yeah, so you have a gift right here. And 20 bucks, right? Well, plus the wine, but anyway, let's finish. So the last thing I have are these file folders. And I'm gonna open the package up so we can go through and see them. Oh, how fun. Hang on, I know it's gonna be noisy, but I wanna show you the patterns. So it comes with these stickers, so you can put them, like the labels for the tabs here. I love the pink and white. I think that's so pretty. And then there's 3 of those. And then, oh, look at how cute. I love that. And there's 3 of those. And then the tropical, I love this one. What does that say, lists? How cute. I'm so excited. So there's 3 of each, so you get 9 folders. So I love that. And I got folders last time too, and I've been using those. So I really enjoyed this box. I thought this was a great box. I think it's a great value. This is definitely my favorite. The October, November one, yeah, this was my favorite. This is a total Kayla box. So we got the file folders with the little labels. Let me just get that out of the way. A lot of plastic that I got to get out of the way. The bag. How fun is the bag? That's so cute. The notepad. I love the floral pattern too. I might bring this one to work for my desk. The paper napkins. The ribbon. The fun sleeping mask. I think that's so cute. The bottle opener here. I love the fringe. I think that's so cute. And with the pink and the white and the gold. And then the little holder. How fun. I loved this box. So I hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you for sticking around. Again, Confetti Collection is great. And bonus, I keep what comes in the box every month for like gift baskets, because I'm big on gift baskets. I think I've said that before, like I make gift baskets a lot. And so I save that for when I make gift baskets so I don't have to buy it. So bonus, right? All right, thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.